Boost your YouTube views with expert organic YouTube promotion services. I'm here to help you build your audience by providing specialized video promotion services. Let's increase your views and reach the ideal audience with tailored Google Ads. I will send a detailed campaign report following the campaign. How does it work? My video promotion services use Google Ads to target a highly relevant audience, ensuring your content reaches the right viewers. I offer tailored packages designed to boost your video's visibility. Check Gig Extra for the exclusive package. With optimized ad campaigns, we help increase engagement, views, and organic growth for your channel. Check FAQ for more details. What you will get using Google Ads: your videos are shown to a highly relevant audience based on their interests and demographics. Enhance your channel's visibility, leading to more organic traffic and long-term growth. Flexible packages: increased engagement. Track the performance of your campaigns with detailed insights and metrics. Choose your package and start reaching thousands of new viewers today. If you interested this service, please inbox contact me. Feel free to ask me if you any question. Have a great day. Thank you so much.